3-day anime convention KawaiiKon 2013 will be held this year at the Hawaii Convention Center on Friday, March 15th through Sunday, March 17th, from 10 o'clock a.m. until 6 o'clock p.m. Kawaii Kon is where enthusiastic fans of anime, manga, comic books, graphic novels, and sci-fi can gather to network and celebrate their fandom with other individuals with similar interests. Hawaii's very own Kawaii Kon is friendly for all ages, and all are welcome to dress up and attend and/or participate in the scheduled events. Events featured that are to look forward to are live performances of costume roleplay, concerts, meeting of the illustrators and creators in the Artist Alley, browsing through vendor shops, and costume contests. This year there will be an appearance from our local Pack 501st Legion, accompanied by their very own 6 cheerleaders. For more information on KawaiiKon and tickets for this event, the phone number is 1-866-493-3708.